Realme 7 5G. This is probably the most affordable 5G gaming smartphone in the end of 2020. Full HD Plus LCD with 2400 x 1080 display and 120Hz screen refresh rate. The model I have is 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Jump into the body part of this smartphone. In front of the phone, there's a pre-installed screen protector. Yeah, it's a bit off from here at the front-facing camera as you can see, but it's not too obvious if you don't look close into it. I really like the side-mounted fingerprint sensor. It's quicker than I thought. Besides, the face unlock is pretty quick too. Yes, there's an expandable storage and earphone jack. I don't have to purposely get wireless earbuds or earphones now. Behind the phone, there's a matte frost finish, and I kinda like this gradient effect. It just makes this phone look really premium. We have a 48MP primary camera, 8MP ultra wide, 2MP macro camera, 16MP front-facing camera. Let's check out the photos I took with the Realme 7 5G. Video shooting wise is okay, but not the best of the best. You can shoot in 4K 30fps, 1080p 120, 60 or 30fps. Ultra stabilized does cut off some pixels from the video and can't be shot in wide angle. Normal video shooting does come with image stabilize, so you don't have to really activate the ultra stabilize when you are shooting videos. It has a giant 5000 mAh battery with 30W fast charge. An hour can get your phone juiced to the fullest. It's more than enough for daily usage. Let's look into the hardware. This phone comes with 7nm MediaTek Dimensity 800U chipset instead of Qualcomm. And yes, we all know MediaTek chipset is bad in controlling phone temperature. It stays at 47°C when I'm having a long hour of gaming session, but it does its jobs to keep my phone stay smooth and not having any lagging issues. I'm impressed. This phone knocks out most of the well-known Android smartphones in 2020. Let's begin the benchmarks test. While screen recording, the refresh rate auto adjusts back to 60Hz instead of 120Hz. Let's check out some gameplay performance.
Sub-Zero. You have eyes, but will not see. I will see you die. Fight. Finish him. Fatality.
Marked a location.
Team match. Let's go.
The blue team has scored for the first time! Reloading! Dead! Expired! Cover me! Enemy down! Reloading! Cover me! Killing spree for the blue team! Enemy down! Dead! Killed! The blue team is in the lead. No mercy! Reloading! Killed! Target down! Expired! Cover me! Killing spree for the blue team! Killing spree for the blue team!
Great. You're about to win.
The blue team is heading to a perfect win! Expired!
Blue team victory. Enemy contact.
We lost the lead.
Changing mag. Reloading. Reloading.
We've taken the lead.
Headshot.
Gun ready for deployment.
Headshot.
Ready for deployment. Missile on
Headshot.
standby.
Reloading. Headshot.
Friendly Predator missile inbound. Hunter killer drone deployed.
Contact with enemy.
Spawn them. Point this one. UAV online. Hunter killer drone Stand by. Missile awaiting orders.
到底有什么特别的？听讲他们现在是第一款手机有64 megapixel， 而且打击也超顺的。Let's check this out. Overall, this is definitely worth for the price regardless the hardware of the smartphones. The overall performance I'm truly satisfied as I'm more into gaming users. It does its jobs, great performance in handling high graphics game. It's a little unfortunate that I can't test out 5G in Malaysia yet, but I'll definitely try out by the time when it's stable. It's Urgent JKLSQ here. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next one.